Quantifiers. Quantifiers define the numbers of characters or expression to match. So when you want to match you want to match a pattern, quantifier is what defines the numbers of characters or expression to match. Then we have some JavaScript regex expression quantifiers. We have x plus as code, which matches at least one element. Then we have the x asterisk code, which matches 0 or more occurrences of x or elements. Then we have x question mark that matches 0 or 1 occurrences of x. Then we have x and is curly braces of n that matches n occurrences of x. Then we have x in the curly braces of n, which matches from n to m occurrences of x. Then we have x into the curly braces of n, which matches n or more occurrences of x. So these are some of the JavaScript RegExp quantifiers. Now, let's now begin to look at each of them one after the other. So we'll start with the regex positive quantifier, which is this x plus. The x plus matches at least one x. So let's take a look at an example of this. Regex plus working with regex plus quantifier. So quantifier, this is quantifier. So what do I want to do? Here I just want to have a global search. I want to perform a global search for at least one O in my expression. So let's search equals to now. This is my expression. Now I can set my pattern. So I need a delimiter. I want to search for O as the search criteria. And I need this plus, which is coming from here. If you take a look, you see that it's x plus. So the x is the search criteria, and this is the other condition. So that is why you are saying O plus. And I want to make it a global search. That's why I pass the G flag. Then the output can be saved in the results. And then I can match this to see if it fits in the criteria. Then pattern. And then I can output my results. And what do I get? You can see. So it picks 3 0, then there's 0, there's 0, and there's other 2 0. Now, according to the definition, it says that x matches at least 1, which means that we'll check through our text variable and look through this string, and then where it can find the search criteria, it will at least match 1. So you can see that in this instance, it picks more than 1, but at least it's short thing or a certain thing that it picks at least 1, which means that it can pick more than 1, but the list is always 1. So moving on, let's take a look at the other RegExp quantifier. We have the x asterisk, which matches 0 or more occurrences of x. So let's take a look at an example for this as well. So we want to do a global search. A global search for the following by 0 or more. Want to do a global search for an L followed by 0 or more O characters. So I will use the same example, and now I can set my pattern equals to the opening delimiter, then L that is followed by 0, or this is not 0, it's O, not 0, sorry. That's followed by O, letter O in our alphabet. Then this require asterisk as a delimiter, as a sign, that's asterisk. Then you can close it with a closing delimiter and apply the global flag. So you can store the output in a result variable, text.match, and pass in the pattern. And now I can output the results. What's the results? And now check this out. You can see. So every instance where this finds what is it called? Every instance is where it can find an occurrences of X, it will pick it. And if it finds more than one, then it will pick it. And that is why you are saying L, L, O, 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 L, 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 O, O. So this one too also must at least pick one, and it can pick more than one or more occurrence of what that expression quantifier is at a particular point in time.